Hello everyone, here's your weather hazard briefing for Monday, August 5th. We've got more thunderstorms coming our way today and tomorrow. There's going to be some pretty strong winds today with thunderstorms across the area, and those storms today also will be a mix of wet and dry thunderstorms, so we'll see some rainfall with a few of these storms. Storms will be mostly light to no rain producers tomorrow. We still have to contend with a little bit of smoke here and there from our regional wildfires. At least the middle of the week, we dry out a little bit, we cool off a little bit. It also will be breezy across the region. Satellite shows a little bit of moisture working north and east across Oregon into the Idaho Panhandle, also coming out of Oregon or Washington or Nevada and Utah coming our direction at the moment. This will all continue to lift through the area later on today, kicking off more showers and thunderstorms. We are highlighting these impacts based on the critical fire conditions that we're expecting. The least amount of thunderstorm activity today will be over the eastern highlands. Otherwise, some scattered, even higher coverage thunderstorm activity over the rest of the area. Like we said, some of these storms are expected to produce gusts over 45, and even some indications, especially down south, some gusts near 60 miles per hour. We do have a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms over most of the area today. For tomorrow, we do have still continued impacts from showers and thunderstorms. Coverage will be a little bit less across the area. Wednesday, just mainly a little bit of wind, and then Friday we see some moisture working back into the area for an increasing potential shower and thunderstorm activity across the area. So how are things looking for today? We do have a little bit of moisture already working in early this morning, and that trend will continue. Maybe a few showers. May even see a lightning strike earlier this morning to the west of Burley and south of Twin. As we go through the day, you'll notice we see activity really picking up mid-afternoon across the area, and quite a few showers and thunderstorms working through, and they'll be quickly racing off to the north and to the east. A few lingering showers and thunderstorms overnight across the south hills over into the southeast corner, but that should be pretty much out of here by the time the sun comes up tomorrow morning. So for the rest of the forecast, temperature wise today, still looking at 90s, a little bit cooler in some areas. You want hundreds, head over to Boise. 70s and 80s up in the high country. For tomorrow, we are looking at temperatures not too far off, maybe a little bit cooler here, a little bit warmer there, but still temperatures holding pretty strong in the 90s, 70s, and 80s up in the mountains. Now we do have to contend with some wind tomorrow, and with the drier air across the area outside of thunderstorms, we might see some pockets of where we may see critical fire conditions developing tomorrow. Nothing widespread at this point. We'll have to keep an eye on that trend, but you'll notice by tomorrow afternoon some gusts over 30 miles per hour in the higher elevations of the central mountains, also across the Arco Desert. And that does continue a little bit weaker, but continue into Tuesday evening. For Wednesday, it is definitely cooler across the area, but again, the wind, some of those gusts near 30 miles per hour over the area, especially over the Magic Valley and out across the Arco Desert, and that trend continues into Wednesday afternoon, late Wednesday afternoon into early Wednesday evening. Temperatures on Thursday even cooler, and then we start a slow warm-up as we head into Friday. So once again, we've got showers and thunderstorms with some of these storms producing rain today. Some of those storms will be pretty strong out there, maybe a couple of severe storms creeping in with some of those gusts potentially hitting 60 miles per hour today. Tomorrow, not much of a chance of severe storms yet. Those gusts do come down a bit, and also those storms will be not producing much rainfall, if at all, tomorrow. Otherwise, still have to deal with some smoke and cooler and drier conditions for at least the middle part of the week before we start to warm up and get some more monsoon moisture back in here by the next weekend. Have a great Monday, and do stay safe out there, everyone.